Welcome everyone, my name is Jermaine Please of Web Hosting Throne. You can find me at webhostingthrone.com or simply Google me, Web Hosting Throne. Today we are going to talk about how to use the WordPress catch. So catching is basically purging that extra code that comes in when you're downloading a plugin or theme. It actually removes that extra code that doesn't need to be there in order to speed up your website. So you want your website to continue being fast. When people visit your website, you want all your images and your everything to load up quick. So when it loads up quick, they receive their content quick. So you want to speed it up. You want to keep it up to par. So how do you do that? Well, WordPress has a plugin, a built-in plugin. When you download when you install their software, it automatically installs this nice little plugin called catching. So it's already built in. Usually, back in the day, you would have to use a plugin to in order to catch all of that code, that unnecessary code, in order to speed up your website. Well, this only does it for a few things. This doesn't necessarily does it for the images, which I'll be showing you how to do in the future, like images that you upload to your website that has unnecessary code that it can be shrink better. The code can be shrink, but the quality stays the same. So that is what you want for CSS, for those different things like that. You have extra plugins that you can use for shrinking the code or the image, not losing quality, the visual quality of the image. So let me show you how to use it for shrinking the code of like plugins that you download or themes, or this the core of the theme, the core of the website. Okay, so let's go to catching. Let's go and to do that, press purge all. But I'm just going to show you the settings of what's actually being purged. And purge meaning removed. Let's see. You see, you got the core major, that's on for me. Core minor, that's on. Themes, that's on. Plugins, that's on. Translations, that's on. Okay, so make sure all of these things are on. It says Bluehost Auto Update Manager. So it automatically updates it automatically purges. So you have a level right here. It says assets only, level 1, normal, advanced level, or aggressive level. I just keep it at normal. But that is how you find that. That is how you connect with the caching for your plugins and your theme. Mainly that's what you want. You want those to be purged over time, and you want your website to continue running efficiently. So you can turn them off or keep them on. Keep on the auto updater. It's just the update. If you keep it, this is for automatic updating for it. So you can turn it off and do it manually, and just purge all manually, but I'll just keep it on. Thank you all for joining me. That is how you find the WordPress catch. And you just go over here up to catch settings if you want to change the settings, or purge all if you want. Thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine Please of Web Hosting Throne. You check me out at webhostingthrone.com or simply Google me, Web Hosting Throne. Take it easy, guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial.